Okay, everyone, welcome back to Backend Magang. Stay humble and keep the excitement to learn like a newbie intern. Okay, do you ever try deploying your app only to have it crash right in front of your face? Yeah, been there, done that. But what if I told you there is one simple tweak that can stop your server from throwing tantrums during deployments? So today we are talking about Graceful Shutdown in Golang, and trust me, this is only the small tweak that makes a big impact. So without further ado, let's get it on.
Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, so here's the deal. When you deploy or restart your app, your server often just poof, gone. No goodbye, no I miss you, no I'll see you around. It just that. And if there were requests mid-flight, they get dropped like my Wi-Fi during on online games. So yeah. But with graceful shutdown, your server politely finishes processing any ongoing requests before shutting down. I'm sorry, my alarm. Yeah, it's like saying, hold on, let me finish this before I leave. So yeah, this is nice, right? Okay, all right. I have a simple example for demonstrate. So let's jump into the code. Okay, okay. In this main program, I have two cases. So the first one is no graceful shutdown, and the last one is with graceful shutdown. Yeah, let's see what happened when we don't use graceful shutdown. This is like the red squid. Yeah, this is like the red squid of server. It just stopped. So picture this: a customer is in the middle of a checkout process, and boom, your server dies. So bye bye sale, hello angry tweets, and let me show you how this looks in our demo. Yeah, so for the run no graceful server is, yeah, it is used this method. So in this method, it's just a simple method. So I set up the root handler for incoming request at the URL, and I'm logging this, yeah, in this line. So I log when the request is being processed, and this time slip is for simulate a long running request. So yeah, you can imagine in this time slip is like any business case running and any query process running. So yeah, it's this is for simulating that. After that, yeah, I just log again for send a response after the long task is done. And yeah, overall, this is the method for simulate how no graceful shutdown running. So I will run the program. Okay, go run main go, and then I choose this server no graceful. Why I write this, you can yeah, as you can see on my screen. So this is the server type that I made before. Okay, and then yeah, I will running this program. Okay, the program is running, and I will open a new tab for new terminal. Okay, I will hit the endpoint using call. It's simple. So I just use the call for this API call. HTTP localhost 8080. Yeah, I run this, and then I go back to the main program, and I stop the program like this. So I interrupt the program, like, yeah, it's simulating when when the program or our backend services are running in production and we do some deployment, so our backend services will restart and rebuilding again. So of course, the process will stop. But as you can see here, okay, with that graceful shutdown, you will notice how the ongoing requests just disappear. The server doesn't care at all. It just quits like a red quit. Yeah, like my cat when I try to give her bath. So this is the response: empty reply from server. Okay, but yeah, in a simple way, now let's add a sprinkle of decency to our server. So the graceful shutdown style. This is where the backend service say like, "Hey, I'm shutting down, but let me finish what I've started." So let's see how this works. So we will go to run graceful server method. Yeah, this is it's quite same. So I log when the request is being processed, and I do simulating a long running request, but I will run the server in a separate go routine to avoid blocking the main thread. So in this code is listen and serve, handle any error except for the expected server close error, and I create a channel to listen for system interrupt like I used before to stop the process, Control C. So in this signal, will notify the channel when an interrupt signal is received. Yeah, in this line I just logging again, so I will log when the shutdown process start, and after that I create a contact with the timeout to limit how long the server can take to shut down. I use same number. It's just 10 seconds. And after that, the defer cancel is ensure the cancel function is called when the shutdown is complete. And after that, I attempt to graceful shutdown the server. If there is an error during shutdown, I will log it and terminate the program. Okay, so this is the method for run graceful server. Okay, I will run this program again, but using the graceful shutdown. Go run main.com server graceful. Okay, it's running, and I will go to the second terminal and I will hit the endpoint again, call http localhost 8080. Yep, I hit the endpoint and I will go back to the first terminal and I stop. See, shutting down gracefully, the server stopped, but yeah, the request is still complete. Okay, as you can see, even when I shut down the server, it waits for the request to finish. It's like a good waiter who serves your dessert before the restaurant closes. Yeah. Yeah, with this graceful shutdown, now imagine you are running a global e-commerce site. After that you are deploying a hotfix during a Black Friday sale, in example. So yeah, with that graceful shutdown, boom, hundreds of abandoned carts. But with graceful shutdown, it will be smooth transition, happy customer, and hopefully a raise for you. So why would you care? Because the first one, no drop request, so you will keep your customer happy, and the second one is zero downtime, so you will deploy with confidence, and the last but not least is production ready. So this is stable. This is stable text for any serious app. Okay, that's it. Graceful shutdown. a tiny tweak with massive benefits. So your app stay professional, your users stay happy, and you get to deploy without sweating. Without sweating bullets. Yeah, if this video made you laugh or cry about past mistakes, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Let's hear your horror stories about deployments gone wrong. Yeah, who knows? Your story might inspire the next video. So until next time, stay humble, keep learning, and happy coding. And once again, thank you very much. Cheers, Backend Maga.